With the GTIN-Manager from GS1 Germany, you can manage the GTINs for your products simply and easily. Product data can be assigned and edited in a structured manner. In the GTIN-Manager, you have the option of calling up GTINs individually or downloading them as a list. You can enter your product data manually or via import and link it to a GTIN. If you would like to manage your product master data in your own systems, we recommend that you still import your product data into the GTIN-Manager. This can be done easily by importing a CSV or Excel file or via an interface. This is the only way to get your data into the Verified by GS1 global database. And that is important, because more and more online marketplaces and retailers appreciate and utilize the option of synchronizing their own data with the Verified by GS1 database. This enables them to verify the authenticity of product, license, and company data. This creates trust and transparency in the collaboration. You can also create barcodes or dynamic QR codes for your products in the GTIN-Manager with just a few clicks. All features and more information on the functions of the GTIN-Manager can be found at gs1.de/service platform.